You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, the name of this muscle. If you want to learn more names from anatomy that can be a bit confusing, stay tuned, we got them all at the end of the video. This one encircles the opening of the orbit around the eye. Orbicularis Oculi. As one single pronunciation, Orbicularis Oculi. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.